In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fib Extension TradingView. We'll walk through exactly how to load the tool, place it correctly, and understand what each point means so you can apply it with confidence on any chart. First, open your chart in TradingView. You can use any market and time frame you like. Stocks, crypto, forex, lower or higher time frames all work the same way. Once your chart is up, look to the left toolbar and click the Fibonacci tools icon. From that menu, select Trend-Based Fib Extension. This is the specific tool designed to project price extensions using 3 anchor points, and it's different from a standard retracement tool. The Trend-Based Fib Extension needs 3 clicks to work, and each click should correspond to a meaningful swing on the chart. Think of them as the start of a move, the end of that impulse, and then the pullback that follows. It's important to pick clear pivots so your levels are aligned with the actual market structure. For a bullish setup, start by identifying a swing low that begins an upward move. That's point A. A reliable swing low is typically a clear trough where the candles before and after it have higher lows. Next, find the swing high that marks the end of the initial impulse up. That's point B. Finally, wait for or locate the retracement after that impulse, where price pulls back from the high, and use that retracement low as point C. On the chart, click A at the swing low, click B at the swing high, and then click C at the retracement low. As soon as you place that third point, the tool will project extension levels forward in the direction of the trend, helping you visualize potential continuation targets beyond the prior high. For a bearish setup, the process is the mirror image. Choose a swing high where a downward move begins as point A, then a swing low where that impulse down ends as point B, and then the retracement high that follows as point C. Click A at the swing high, B at the swing low, and C at the retracement high. The extensions will plot downward, projecting potential continuation levels below the prior low. A few quick tips to keep your anchors accurate. Zoom in so you can place points precisely on the wicks of the swings. Keep your A and B within the same impulse move so the measurement is consistent, and if your levels look off, delete the drawing and replace the points carefully. Consistency in how you define swings will make your extension readings more reliable over time.